Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the TomToc 3.5 litre sling bag. Now this comes in a couple of different colors and is quite affordable. This one here is obviously the black one, but it has some interesting pockets and designs, and the 3.5 litres makes it quite similar to this here, which is one of my previous favorite bags. This is the 4 litre light sling mini from Bellroy, but you can see there's some differences in the design and the way it carries. Now, one thing I'll straight off the bat don't particularly like about this one is the way that it attaches here. This kind of flap here on both sides make it so it's a bit more like a kind of a, like a bum bag, or it just makes it so that when you're wearing it over one shoulder, it doesn't sit quite as flat and flush to your body. Whereas something like this one here, which is the Reform Carry 5 litre Toshi sling, this one has attachment points that are quite straight up against the bag, and so no matter how you wear this one, it actually sits quite nice and flush to the body. But with this design here, it just means that it sort of hangs out a bit from your body. So I do wish that these were detachable and that you could attach them in different ways. But aside from that, the actual sling itself has a lot of nice pockets and organization. Taking it here at the front here, you get a key clip, and you get two sort of pockets here, and you have attachment points on the front here, which would be good for a hero clip. And then on the back you have a flat pocket, which would be good for a passport or something like that. Now you can unclip the sling here to make taking it on and off easier. The buckle on this one is quite chunky and isn't quite as nice as the one in the Reform Carry bag, but it does do the job. Now, when you unzip this one, you get into the main compartment, and it's quite a nice bit of space in there. You get two mesh pockets and a divider with a flat area here, which would be good for passports or documents. And then if you take a look inside here, you get another zippered mesh pocket, which is a good divider for sunglasses or other items. So overall, it's a very nice sling bag, and for the price, I think it really is pretty good. But if you were looking for a sling in this range and a bit, you wanted a little bit more versatility, I might look at something like the Reform Carry, which is quite similar in the size and even the design a little bit. But if you want something a bit more lightweight, then the Bellroy is actually the lighter weight bag because of the material and the way it's constructed. But overall, in terms of price and availability, this one is available on Amazon, and it's much more affordable than the other two bags. So if you just want something to carry your Nintendo Switch, for example, the actual size of this one is perfect for something like that. You might even be able to fit some cameras in there, but it's more for small everyday items. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check the links in the description, and I'll see you next one.